Hey, I just learned a fast, easy way to tell if your eggs are still good, even if it's after the best by date. You're just gonna need a big bowl of water. We're gonna do the float test. If you don't know about this, I'm gonna show it to you. It's super simple and easy. I have these 4 eggs. They were expired. Well, it said on the carton, best by December 31st. Today is technically, it's 2 in the morning. It's January the 4th. We're gonna see if these sink or float in this bowl of water. So if they sink all the way to the bottom and sit gently, we gotta sit them in here gently. If they lay at the bottom, it means they're good. But as you can see, this one is at the bottom but upright. That means it's good, but it needs to be eaten, it needs to be used soon. If it floats all the way to the top of the water, it means they're not any good. So they're not laying flat on the bottom, they are upright. So this means I need to use these like today. And that's how you tell. Okay, so a recap is that if they float all the way to the bottom and they lay on the bottom, they're good to eat and they'll be good for a few days. If they go to the bottom but they're upright like this, or they're kind of doing like mine were and doing this number, they need to be used immediately. If they float to the top, discard them. Hope that helps. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for joining me. Like and follow and leave a comment if you enjoyed this content. Thanks.